Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. Dear students, open your active English workbook. Dear students, to be continued with the exercise of unit number 2, a tumbler of oil. Our today's topic is related to writing, and in writing today we'll discuss a story. It's on your book's page number 13. Dear students, our given task is read the story and complete the story web on the next page. Write a solution and an ending to the story. The title of the story is The Very Lazy Farmer. Dear students, lazy means unwilling to work or use energy, or you can say idle. Once upon a time, there was a very lazy farmer. Instead of tilling means plough, or you can say cultivate. Instead of tilling his land and harvesting his crops, he would sit under a tree and daydream about what all he could do if he were rich. One day, on his way home from the market, the farmer noticed that his neighbor's field was full of big, juicy carrots. Suddenly, a thought came to his mind. What if I were to gather a sack or two of these big, juicy carrots and sell them in the market? Sack means bag. He looked around. There was no one in the vicinity. Dear students, vicinity means area, or you can say surroundings. There was no one in the vicinity. He quickly gathered two huge sacks of carrots. Here, huge means enormous, vast, big, great. When he was done, the tired farmer sat down to rest. However, his thoughts started to drift again. I could use the money from the sale of the carrots to buy some hens. The hens would lay eggs, and then I could sell the eggs. With the money earned, I could buy a cow. I could milk the cow and sell the milk. Then I could employ some people to work on my farm while I sat under my tree sipping tea, watching them work. The farmer was so absorbed in his own daydream that he chuckled. Chuckled means giggle, or you can say laugh aloud unknowingly. His neighbor's dog heard him and started barking ferociously in a violent way. Now, dear students, turn the page. On page number 14, our given task is complete the story web. First of all, here we have some tips. First step to write a story or to complete the story web is setting. Setting means location and time of the story, mean where and when. A neighbor's field. Characters: the lazy farmer and neighbor's dog. The problem of the story is the lazy farmer wanted to be rich but did not want to work. He stole his neighbor's carrots, but his laughter attracted the attention of his neighbor's dog. Dear students, here we'll write the solution of the story. Solution: the lazy farmer should work hard in his own fields rather than wasting his time in daydreaming. He should struggle hard to turn his dream of becoming rich into reality instead of stealing carrots from the field of his neighbor. And in ending part, we'll write, on dogs barking, the neighbor of farmer also came there. The farmer felt ashamed of his deed. He apologized his neighbor. He promised himself never to do daydreaming again, and also to do work hard in his own fields to earn money. Now, dear students, your today's task is to complete the story web. It's on your English workbooks, page number 14. That's all for the day, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.